Hey, what's up guys, it's Rudy from Pro Car Studio, and today we're going to be doing a quick spotlight on the Skunk2 rear lower control arms and rear camber kits. These are going to fit multiple Civics, Acuras, a lot of vehicles from 88 to 2000 range. So let's go ahead and go over some of the aspects of these parts. Starting off with the Skunk2 rear camber kit here, this is actually going to fit all 88 to 2000 Civics and a couple of other like Integras and stuff. But yeah, pretty nice packaging here from Skunk2. Let's take this out of the box. So they include a little owner's kit. Pretty cool, it has a warranty card and some other information here. Some of the cool stuff they make, all that stuff. Sticker for more power. And the control arm itself, or rear camber kits. They're pretty robust, very robust design. They've been around for quite a while, and the design has improved slightly over the years, but overall, I mean, this is really good quality stuff. They use aluminum materials in some spots to save some weight, hardened steel in some ends here, and fully adjustable, so you don't really have to take this off of the car. You'll just loosen up the jam nuts, adjust your turnbuckle here, and it'll open or close depending on if you want positive or negative camber. So moving on to the Skunk2 rear lower control arms, they've had a couple different versions of these over the years. This is their, I believe, their Alpha series or Alpha version, but overall they're all going to be very robust. It's just a matter of what you're looking for as far as performance, build, and overall just, you know, how it's going to handle on the track and such. The packaging again is really good. Everything's safely packaged. This particular set is going to fit the 96 to 2000 Civics, I believe a couple of Integras, but they basically have all the different year ranges for that kind of EG, EK chassis covered. Pretty different design compared to their Pro series that they used to have. This features polyurethane, Delrin, and a spherical bearing, as opposed to just using polyurethane bushings all across. The spherical bearing is going to give it great articulation, so you'll be able to articulate this pretty well. Your suspension won't be binding up or anything like that. The urethane here takes up a lot of the vibration, so it's not going to be such a harsh ride. And then the Delrin connected to the shock and coilover assembly is going to be really good for, you know, kind of better response of the suspension and handling. You have your provisions here for the sway bar if you have a rear sway bar. And similar to the camber kit, you have an owner's kit as well. So that pretty much breaks it down for you. For more details and information on the control arms or the camber kits, check out our website, procivic.com. Let us know if you have any questions, and like always, feel free to give us a call and subscribe to our channel.